welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, welcome to another boring vlog. Boring char. So for today's video, so last night I filmed already the video, then ngayon ako mag-i-intro. So I'm going to recreate James Charles look, yung nauso ngayon sa Instagram, yung challenge na draw my makeup look. So before we jump out to the video, please follow me on my social media account below. Instagram at Darius Evardo and Facebook Darius Evardo. So, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Darius Evardo. Thank you. So without further ado, let's jump out to the video.
So with our foundation, I'm using Sun, the shade Sienna. So this is very matte, like Maybelline, you know. We're going, and its applicator is so nice, so good, yes. Try using the brush, spread it out, yeah. You need to cover your face, the acne, you know. Sure. So after that, we're going to do concealer. So I'm using EB Advanced Concealer, but it's foundation. I use it as concealer. So you can use your hands for applying your concealer. Okay, but make sure you wash your hand and stay safe. And you also use brush para, you know, maganda. Over. After that, we're going to use setting powder from MAC and Pond's. Guys, check out Pond's translucent powder. Meron na sa South Star Drug. High-end na siya. Okay. So, in our eyebrows, I'm using BYS. Yes. 450 from Watson. So, I'm struggling here because I have thick brows. So, after that, we will use concealer to, you know, to clean or to remove the excess. Yes. And to, you know, to emphasize the brows like that. Okay. Just to make the brows clean like that. Okay. Like other beauty girl does. So, bahala ka na. Yes, does. So after that, we're going to move on to our eyeshadow. Before I apply my eyeshadow, I used color corrector or concealer para maging as a base for our foundation, so that it will become more pigmented, and the pigmentation of the color can be, you know, visible like that. So using what do you call that, blending brush, just use blending brush and, you know, brush it over your eyes like that. Bahala ka na, pagod na ako. I'm tired. So make it, you know, clean like that. So I'm also used the BYS Brow Definition Kit as my eyeshadow, since it's very pigmented. So after that, use your BYS Brow Definition Kit as your eyeliner and apply it to your under eyes and to that upper basta. Then after you set the setting powder, you need to brush it all over your face, you know, disperse, spread, ladies choice, pagod na ako. So also you can use the Brow Definition Kit as your nose contour or nose line, the brown shade there. Okay, so I'm using bullet brush to, you know. Then after that, we will move on to our contour. I'm using Sun Face Sculpture as my contour. Yeah, just follow the jawline of your face. Yes, then you can use it as your nose contour. So in person, pigmented siya, but sa camera hindi. Okay. Then I'm behind the scene. I applied bronzer. Okay. Then blush. Then just
So guys, for now, I will cut this video since I don't have enough phone storage. I can't finish the entire look in just, since I'm just using my phone, I don't have any storage. I don't have SD card or so, like that. So I'll finish the look from eyeliner to lips to highlighter and anything off cam. So I hope you will like the result. Thank you. So guys, this is the finished look. Hope you like this look. So for the full details of this look, you can check out my Instagram profile or my Instagram post. So hope you all like it. Bye. Thanks for watching.